Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to have a chat with what's going to be happening with Harrods Garage and this car. We need a chat. Alright, so I was going to mount you guys in the Black Foz, go for a drive and have a chat, but I put a little attachment on and it broke and I can't get it off, so I couldn't use this little sucker. I was going to do, something nice, bit of cinematic thing for the Black Foz, and then go for a drive and have a chat and hear the exhaust of the new one. But unfortunately this little thing has stopped me from doing that. So yeah, I've got to try to get that off and then we'll just go through some things in the garage. So the last couple of days here in Melbourne have been pretty wet. There's been a bit of flooding and stuff, and I haven't wanted to come out the back here. It was actually pretty close to coming into the garage by about 5 mil. I'll show you. So at the back here, it was nearly up onto the concrete here. So this has been sitting for a couple of days. Hopefully it doesn't do anything to the concrete. But yeah, had a lot of rain. Had a few houses, cars get lost in this flooding. So yeah, not good. Alright, there's the culprit. It's broken. There it is. So that was spinning. Let's try to find another one. Alright, anyways guys, what should I do with the Foz? Just get it going, drive it for a little bit, or should I pull the engine out and get those cams in? I've been sitting there for a while. We don't have any leaks now, but I do want to run it and see how we go with this wastegate up here. So we need to make a pipe and we need to do some heat shields. So maybe we should do that first, make sure everything fits before we pull it out. And yeah, because when we pull it out, I'll move some things, get it away from the heat. A lot more room in there. Alright guys, whew. So over the weekend I'll make a screaming pipe for that wastegate. When we do get it out for a drive, we're not burning anything. And I'll have to find some aluminium sheet to fold up to make some heat shields, because we've got a lot going on here. I'm not really running that pipe that was on there. I was just playing around. Yeah, so we need to clean up this engine bay a bit more. So we'll get to cleaning up vacuum lines and some wiring over the weekend. Yeah, everything seems to work. Should I still run my AEM gauge and just run the wiring down, because I do have a bung on the backside of the Cat. That way at least I can drive around and not need the laptop open. Or we go the Heltec 2.5. I think the dash will be maybe a little bit too overboard. If anything, I'd upgrade the ECU from the 550 to a 2500 before I go for a dash. Yeah, we haven't really done much to this lately, so really want to dive into it. I really would like have it running and on the street for summer, so we can get to some good car meets, show and shines, stuff like that, and show it off, because what a lot of people have really seen it. Just pretty much you guys that watch the videos. So there's a lot of people out there that don't know about this, so hopefully when we get a dyno, finally get it on the dyno, we'll get some good numbers, and yeah, we'll put it down on the street. But for now we need to get stuck into it. So over the weekend I'll do some welding and cleaning up. It's just a little bit of an update. I really wish I could have been in the Black Foz driving around doing this, but yeah, we broke some GoPro stuff. So anywho, hope you enjoyed this little one. Yeah, we'll come back and do some fabrication. Let's show you the stage 2 cams. Alright, I've had this for quite some time, and I waited so long for these. What do we got here? Exhaust, right hand side. I haven't even opened them yet. Wow. I was like looking up here. They're so short. There's really not much to the Subaru stuff. There we go. I've got 272. It's going to be lumpy. Look at that load. Can't wait. Alright, so I do need to order a EJ25 sump. Because I got the Killer Bee pickup. And that means I'll also need another dipstick, because it's different size. So I was going to get one for the Wreckers, but I might as well just go get a brand new one. Make sure there's no crud in it. So maybe over the next couple of weeks I'll order that. And then when that comes in, we'll pull the engine out. So we'll have enough time to make the screen pipe, some heat shields, think about moving some wiring out of the way, heat protecting that, and cleaning up the engine bay. So should be to where I want it, and then we'll pull the engine out, and I'll probably paint the engine bay, because this should, fingers crossed, be the last time this comes out, unless I'm changing gearbox and stuff. Yeah, it is a bit beat up, so we'll fix up all the wiring and make this engine bay look neater. Should be neater. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you next episode when we do some fabrication for the wastegate. Thanks for watching. Bye.